Hey, what's up guys? Everything Apple Pro here, and after 7 betas, iOS 11.2.5 has just been released by Apple. So what's new, what's changed, and should you update right now? So first thing you guys need to know is that this is not a very large update, but it does have some critical fixes. For instance, there's a couple with the iMessage application, the chaos bug, where you send a link to somebody in the preview would crash their phone. So as a little demo, I'm going to try and send it over here. Hopefully it doesn't crash this iPhone during it, but now it no longer freezes. Previously it would freeze and not work, and that was pretty bad. So you can't see the preview apparently, but Apple did fix that, and I don't know how it's different now, but it will no longer crash your iPhone. So if that was plaguing you, then this update is probably for you. There's also a bug in iMessage that has been fixed where your messages would appear in random order, so it wouldn't be like you were talking from the beginning to the end. It would be from the end to the beginning or vice versa, just all in a jumble of mismatches. So that's been fixed too. And this one bugged me for a while. The now playing music widget would become unresponsive after a few song changes, and that's since been fixed in 11.2.5. And there's some new functionality for voiceover. Yes, voiceover. If you guys don't use Siri but use voiceover instead, it can now show you your AirPod battery level and music playback destination. So a couple little added features there. A lot of bug fixes, but mostly HomePod preparation. Your iPhone can now fully take command and control a HomePod. Siri will also play a news podcast now when you ask her, Siri, play the news.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Lakshmi Singh.
Just like that.
The governor of Kentucky for their...
So it'll play a podcast of news when you ask her to do that now. And there's actually some hidden functionality as well that's been discovered by developer Felipe Esposito. Within the Home application, he's found some icons that would allow you to mute the HomePod so it cannot listen to you whatsoever. So there's definitely some hidden functionalities there. And I also wanted to see if the blank Home icons are still working. That's a bug that I really wish that Apple wouldn't fix. So you activate it by sliding an app over another one in the reachability page, just like this. Please don't be broken. And you swipe over and then you move that application somewhere else. So okay, cool. Looks like that's still there. You guys can still do the blank space bug. And just a couple other things. Wanted to show you guys my storage before and after updating. So on 11.2.2, I had 213.48 available, after 213.74. So it freed up just a little bit of storage on my iPhone. And the Geekbench. So let's see what's changed here in terms of speed. Okay, and that's weird. I'm experiencing a bug where I can't use Spotlight search for whatever reason. It will not let me slide down to it. All right, so I'm going to run this and be right back. All right, so this is my score before updating 11.2.2, and this is after updating. So a little jump there in multi-core score, about 800 points. So that is awesome. Really great scores. Couldn't say that the Spectre or Meltdown bugs were diminishing the performance in any way. So guys, that's it. iOS 11.2.5 is here, mostly to fix the text message bug and greet the HomePod into our lives, which by the way is rumored to begin pre-orders this Friday and then shipping later in February. So stay tuned for that, guys. But otherwise, I would recommend updating unless you're holding out for a jailbreak. Otherwise, stay where you are. But it's a great update, lots of bug fixes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace.